This video will show you how to use Zoom on an iPhone or iPad. First, go to the App Store and search for Zoom, or you could just search for Zoom on your iPhone or iPad like this. Click Get to install it. And then click Open. If you don't have a Zoom account, click Sign Up. Then enter your date of birth, email address, first name and last name. Next, check your email. You'll get an email like this. You need to click Activate Account. If you already have a Zoom account, you can sign in here with your email address and password, or using your Apple, Google or Facebook account. The easiest way to join a Zoom meeting is to click on the link. For example, here in this email, click the link to open the Zoom meeting. It might ask you for access to the camera, click OK, and for access to the microphone, again, click OK. Then click Join with Video if you want people to be able to see your video. Click here to join audio, and now you're in the Zoom meeting. Click Start Video so people can see your picture, or Stop Video if you don't want people to see your picture. Unmute so people can hear you. And finally, at the end, click Leave to leave the meeting.